Hi everyone, welcome to the 71st session of Python for Machine Learning. In this session, we will explore the different frequency option of a date range function. So what we will do first, we will get the current month calendar, and from that we will do the different R&D. So what we will do first, we'll import pandas dataset, whatever we'll do later on. But first of all, we'll import calendar, and then we will give print calendar dot month. You have to give first year followed by the month. So 2008, and we'll give the month is 5, which is the current month, which is May. So it's 5. Execute this. So we have this month of May is printed. We'll copy this and we'll paste it over here below this. Okay, now we'll start. So when I say that we will explore the different frequency options, I mean that when we give the frequency option, when we define this df import pandas as pd, and we define as a data frame, and inside when we give the df date, which is like start from, suppose start from 0105, and periods is 10, whereas frequency is equal to b, means the business day. If you see here, b means the business day frequency. So if we execute this, so business day means, so this is actually, it should be 5 here followed by 1. And then if we execute this, now you can see, like for the month of May, first is Tuesday, so that is fine. Second, third, fourth, second, third, fourth. Now fifth and sixth is Saturday and Sunday, which is holiday, so it's not printed here. Again it will print 7, 8, 9, 10th, 11th. After that 12, 13 is holiday and followed by the 14th. So you can see the importance of giving frequency is equal to b. Similarly, we will use all these different options and see, we'll explore uh, what are the different data set, how it will be populated. Now what we'll do, we will explore the option C, custom business day function, which is also like business day. So we'll give it as C here. We'll execute this here, and it will also be the same like the option B. Now after that we have the option D, calendar day frequency. We'll execute this. You can see it will print every day of the month. So right from 1st till 10th, it is printing every day, even Saturday, Sunday, everything it is printing. Now after that we will print the next option, which is W, weekly frequency. Okay, so the frequency is W, and which is followed by D is equals to W home. Now what it will print, it will print all the weeks. Okay, so start 13th, 20, 27, after that followed by the June 10, 17. Once this is done, we will print. Once W is done, we will see M, month end frequency. We'll give here M. So you can see May month end with 31st, June with 30th. All this date is displaying. It will be very helpful in the case of your analysis. Suppose after that, what I am trying. After that, I am trying business month end frequency. What is the business month end? In the previous case, business month will be, it will display the end of the each month, every month. But here it will display only the business end. If you see the date, June. Okay, June 29 is Friday. That's why it's showing 29, not 30th, because 30th is Saturday. Now after this, we'll see MS, month starts frequency. Okay, now we'll execute this. So month start for all the month when it is starting. Now, after this, we'll see the business month, BMS, business month start date. For that, we'll simply copy this. So you can see business month, and this is not same. If you want to see for May, first is fine, Tuesday. For June also it's fine. But for July, if you see, it is second, right? Because first is Sunday. So you are fine. Again, if you see September first is Saturday, first, second, third. So here is this. So I think you should be like fine with this calculation. After that, we have Q, quarter end frequency, followed by business quarter end frequency. We'll give here, so you can see all the quarter end it is come. Then we'll give, after this we have business BQ, business quarter end. You can see business quarter end frequency, it's coming from. You can verify the date. Then we have year end frequency. You can see for 2018 it is always ending on 12:30. Now, but if you want to see business year end frequency, which is BA, so how every time it is not falling on like this, 31st is not falling on the weekday, sometimes it's falling on the weekend. That's why it is not coming proper. Here it's 30th, and after this we have the year start frequency and business BAS. year start. Now business start BAS. You see everything is not falling on one. There are three, two, because it will some of the first year end beginning will be on Saturday and Sunday. That's why the business start will be on Monday. That is third. Then we have the hourly. It is very simple. Hourly frequency. If we give here as H. So the hourly frequency is like 1st of May from 00 to 09, followed by, which is the next option here. The next option is the minutely hourly, followed by give here minutes is being from 1 till start from 00. You can see second is being repeated properly here. After that we have the next option is millisecond. The option of the frequency is L. You have to give here L. If milliseconds is there, followed by will give the micro. You see, we have the microseconds also available. So this is the very this is how we will use the frequency options, and we can generate our data set based on our requirement. So thanks a lot for watching this session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and also subscribe to this channel. In case if you want me to cover any other topic, please post in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.